Hi friends, welcome back to Solar Mama's ABCs of Solar Energy, where we're breaking down solar step by step. Today we're on the letter B for battery. This is the piece that allows you to store solar energy for when the sun's not out, like at night or during a storm, hurricane. From South Florida, if you've experienced hurricanes, you know the power goes out and then you're working with a generator usually. A battery is a game changer. I'm excited to share how it all works and comes together. So let's dive in. A solar battery is exactly how it sounds, a way to store the electricity your panels make. So during the day, your panels are generating power directly from the sun. If you don't use it all, a battery will save the extra so you can use it later, whether it's at night or if the power goes out because of a storm or a hurricane or something. So basically, it's a backup plan to keep running your house on solar. And the way it works is pretty simple. Your panels will send that electricity to the battery when they're making more than you actually need. Once the sun is down or the grid's off, the battery will send that stored energy to your home. It's a way for solar power to work 24/7. I personally think batteries are great. They can be a little pricey, but I think they're absolutely worth it because they give you more control. Some of the more common batteries that you'll see out there are the Tesla Powerwall, LG, SolarEdge, Enphase are really popular ones. It can range how much can be stored in a single battery. Some people have to get 2 batteries. It just depends on how much power you're wanting to use, but it can be anywhere from 5 kilowatts to 13.5 kilowatts, and that can really range. So that's enough energy to keep the essentials going. So your fridge, lights, phone charger, the essentials, to keep it going for hours until the utility company gets everything back up on the grid. And the great thing about all these batteries, they're really not huge, so they can fit right in your garage or outside. It varies where people put their batteries. Most people will put it in the garage, at least that we've installed, but you can put it outside. And you can do this because it's honestly the size of like a small cabinet. So to paint a little picture, imagine that it's a stormy night. So thunder and lightning, especially right now, it's like our season here in Colorado where it does rain a lot and the power goes out in your neighborhood. So with a solar battery, you might be the only one on your block or in the neighborhood that have the lights on. You have Wi-Fi so you can communicate with other people outside if you need to or anything along those lines. Even on a regular night where there is no storms, you're using stored solar energy instead of having to pay for electricity from the utility company. And it's practical and it saves you money over time. It might not save you money as soon as you get it installed, but over time it can really be beneficial. Batteries are more than just keeping your lights on during a storm. They're about using solar energy in a smarter way and being less tied to the grid. It's a step towards a more cleaner, independent way of living. So that's B for battery. It's about storing solar energy so you can use it whenever you need it. Have you personally ever thought about getting a solar battery, even if you already have solar? Or maybe you've been through a blackout and wish you had a battery. Let us know in the comments if you're liking Solar Mama's ABCs of Solar Energy, and give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you can see video C in our series. Thanks for hanging out with me, and let's continue to explore solar together, and we'll see you on the next episode.